Hey guys, in this video we're gonna go over how to fix Mint mobile SIM card not working. So here are actually some of the things you can try if your Mint mobile SIM card is not working. So you can try, restarting your phone. So just turn your phone off and on again, and this can actually help you reconnect to the SIM card. Or what you can do is you can actually check the SIM card. So make sure that the SIM card is actually, inserted correctly and isn't damaged. And you can also try cleaning the SIM card with a soft, dry cloth. And you can also go ahead and check your phone settings and make sure that airplane mode is off and that your software is actually up to date. You can also try updating your carrier settings, right? Go ahead and do that, or reset your phone's network settings. And of course, you can go ahead and also check your device, right? Make sure your phone is unlocked and actually compatible with Mint's mobile network. You can check your phone's compatibility in the Mint mobile app. And if you're using an eSIM, what you can also do is you can go ahead and check your eSIM, make sure it's turned on and set as the default line. And you can also try, toggling the eSIM off and on in your phone's settings. And of course, guys, you can check coverage. So you want to go ahead and check Mint's mobile coverage map to see if you're actually in a covered area. Because if you're not, then you would not be receiving their service. And I hope this guide was of assistance to you and it provided value to you. If it did, guys, consider smashing the like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.